be honest, you as volunteers are the oil in the whole machine here. Without you, everything will be ruined forever. European Microwave Week. It's not only work, it's also here to enjoy the microwave world and of course enjoy the conference as well.
We hope that you enjoy a lot. The aim of the association is to create new opportunities, new bonds within the microwave community, because the future is in your hands. So the future of microwaves is yours.